Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import products from Amazon to Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can actually just head over to our products right here. And then from in there, what we can do is we can click on this add product. Now under this add product right here, we have here the option to have here the title. So in here, I have opened an Amazon product that I have. So I'll just need to copy on the specific things like the title, as well as the description right here. So we have here the description. We can actually just head over and copy this as well, and then put this on the description right here. In here, you just need to upload the media, which is from in here. Now I already downloaded this one, so I can click in here and click on upload new. Then I'll just upload this picture and click on open. So as you can see, it will upload this right here. And we also need to integrate the pricing. So the pricing is around $20 or $26. So I can actually put in here $26 for this one. And you need to convert it because they have not so the same currency. So for example, I just put in here 1.3. And then Uber can charge tax for this product if you want. So the cost per item totally depends on how much it takes for you to actually produce it. For example, it takes you around 400, then you have a profit margin of 9.2%. So in here, you can also track the quantity as well as the shipping variance. And in here, you can see the search engine listing they have right here. So you can actually just use this one right here. So another thing that you can do is you can change this Amazon Essentials into Shopify Essentials if you want. So this will give this a personalized look. So click on save right here if you already done with this. So for example, let's change the quantity. Let's click on save. Now once you have saved this product, you can now see it on your products on your Shopify. Now when we head back, you can now see it right here. Once it's downloading, in here you can see it. And this is the same product we have. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so you can leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.